I will tell you how to play Ling Guli Guli song with a banjo on dead rails. Currently, in dead rails, the banjo has 5 different notes, and you can play these notes by first equipping the banjo and then clicking the left mouse button while also changing your camera directions. First, practice these 5 notes while changing your camera direction. You need to do it quickly, and once you master it, then you can play the Ling Guli Guli song. I know it does not go exactly like Ling Guli. That's because we have only 5 banjo notes in dead rails. Once we have more notes, we can play more songs with a banjo in dead rail.